Today on Animal Fact Files, we're talking about chimpanzees. The name chimpanzee may actually be in reference to two animal species who are classified in the same genus. There is the common chimpanzee and the bonobo, who is also known as the pygmy chimpanzee, though this name is a bit misleading. Common chimpanzees range from 70 to 130 pounds in weight, while bonobos range from 60 to 135 pounds in weight. Yeah, doesn't quite add up, right? Bonobos were just named pygmy upon their classification because, at the time, the scientist only had a bonobo skull to study, and bonobos do have smaller skulls than common chimps, so an erroneous common name was given. Both of these chimpanzee species are threatened with extinction, though they live in different areas and have different behavioral patterns. Because of this, we want to save bonobos for their own future episode, and today's episode will focus specifically on the common chimpanzee. Common chimpanzees are adaptable and live in a variety of habitats including tropical rainforests, wetland savannas, and mountain environments of sub-Saharan Africa. They are endemic to this continent, meaning that they are not found living naturally anywhere else in the world. Common chimpanzees spend their nights in nests made in the tree canopy. They may also take their meals here too. When on the ground, common chimpanzees typically walk on all fours, but they are able to walk on two legs as well. While natural predators such as leopards and even other chimpanzees may harm chimpanzee populations, their biggest threat by far are anthropogenic, or human-related. Habitat loss, poaching, and bushmeat trade have all pushed these animals to the brink of extinction. Common chimpanzees are primates, though they are not monkeys. Monkeys are also a type of primate, but they are not apes. Chimpanzees are apes. Generally speaking, monkeys have tails and apes do not. We discussed this more in our mandrill episode. Chimpanzees have 5 digits on each of their hands and feet, have nails, and even have big toes. These primates tend to live in groups, called communities, with members numbering 15 individuals on average, though larger groups consisting of more than 200 members have been observed. These communities are male-dominated. The entire community may be led by a single male or a few higher-ranking males. Often, these communities are split into smaller groups that can change frequently. Younger males will fight the males in charge for the top spot. It's the leading male's job to take care of the community and often to breed. Common chimpanzees begin breeding at around 12 to 15 years of age, with females reaching sexual maturity before males. Female chimpanzees may become pregnant year-round, but they have a cycle that lasts about 36 days. For about a week during this cycle, their genitals will swell and give a clear indicator that they're sexually receptive. Chimpanzee gestation lasts 8 months, and the baby will stay with its mother until it's about 5 years old. During this time, it will observe its mother and learn about its world. Unlike many animal species, chimpanzees are able to use tools. A stick in a termite mound is an excellent way to extract the juicy insects from inside. For a long time, chimpanzees were believed to be strictly vegetarian, but this isn't an accurate portrayal of their diets. In fact, chimpanzees are omnivores, and while their diets may mostly be based around fruits, they also take seeds, leaves, flowers, insects, and even other mammals like wild pigs, deer, and monkeys. When chimpanzees hunt, instead of using their long teeth to finish the job, they'll utilize gravity and inertia. Common chimpanzees use many gestures to communicate with one another. A full grin may indicate fear, while a partial grin may signify fun. They are social creatures, commonly grooming one another to reaffirm group bonds. They even have some tactics that would be considered a faux pas to some, but to the chimpanzees it's a way to say hello. In the wild, chimpanzees can live to be more than 40 years old. For more facts on chimpanzees, check out the links in the description. Thank you to Slapstick Genius and Triss Rose for today's request. Give a thumbs up if you learned something new today, and thank you for watching Animal Fact Files.